in 12th grade and don't know what to do after high school. So I had one of my subscribers send me a message and was like, "Hey Leo, hey, I'm about to graduate high school and I don't know what to do. I'm graduating high school in June, May, and I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should go to college. I don't know if I should get a job. I don't know what to do." So the best thing to do is find out what you like to do and if that makes money. Because when you're young, the most important part is to get a job that makes money, and don't waste your time on education that don't make money. So if you're not going to college, you choose the route of not going to college. There's a lot of different occupations, a lot of jobs you can hop into that will get you a lot of money just by not going to college and not having a secondary degree, but a high school degree. So you can look up the different jobs. Just type in, what jobs can I get coming out of high school that doesn't require a degree? It may require a certificate or apprentice or whatever, but at least you'll be making a lot of money. And then you can go into what you want to do. But first, secure a job that makes you money that you can live off of. If you have a family, you can take care of that family. So that's the most important part. So let's go the non-degree route. So you type it in, what jobs I could get without a degree. You come to different pages like this. You got commercial pilot. But one thing about this, there's a lot of jobs that you're going to need years of experience. So you want to look for the jobs that doesn't require that much years of experience and that you could get easily. As you see, you got elevator technician, you got transportation inspector, petroleum. So this is the route you take. You just go on websites and type out what jobs I could get without a degree and how can I obtain it. Do I need to go to a technical school for a couple months or whatever? Then you hop into that and you start your training right there. Now, if you want to go the college route, this is what college do. They trick you. College is a money making business, you know? So the most important part about going to college is getting a degree that you can pay your loans with, back your loans and everything else, and get your life going. Do not go to college and get a whatever degree and just go to college just because it's like the thing to do and you got hit with student loans and that stuff. Don't do that. Look up the highest paying bachelor degrees and go for that degree. And if you want to be an actor or a singer or rapper or whatever, you do that on the side while you doing these classes. And it's a lot of time you got in college. You can do that at the same time. You got YouTube. Just go on YouTube and be whatever. I don't know what you want to be, but you could be whatever on YouTube while you becoming like a chemical engineer or anything like that. So let's look at the highest paying bachelor degrees. Of course, most of these are going to be like engineering jobs that you have to show and prove. Like you can't just go into these jobs and not show and prove. So these are the highest paying bachelor degrees. One, we got chemical engineering. All these degrees are going to take a lot of brain power when you're in school. You got to take a lot of high courses and stuff. But this is the route if you want to go onto the college campuses and everything else. You got chemical engineering at 1. You can make 80,000. Most likely you can make probably more. I say chemical engineering. Most of these jobs are going to be around 90,000 right now because they probably in demand. Chemical engineering, computer engineering. Computer engineering, you want to mix this with what's the latest skills that employers are looking for. So AI or anything. So this computer engineering is basically information technology and coding on different platforms. So you want to look at what platforms, IT platforms, database servers, coding, and anything else that employers are looking for right now. And that's what you want to do in computer engineering. Then you got aerospace engineering. That's a whole thing by itself right there. Electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, which is basically computer engineering. Don't let them fool you. Finance, economics. With finance, what I would tell you for finance is make sure you know what software these people are using. Because in finance, they don't want you to come in there and they have to train you or whatever. They busy. They trying to get their numbers up and trying to make a quota and get bonuses. So make sure you know what software they're using and everything else when you're going to finance. The same thing with economics, civil engineers, everything with engineering. Basically, they're going to teach you what to do. They'll give you the guide on what to do and how to go about your engineering degree and your engineering life after college. But finance and economics, find out what platform, what software, whatever they're using to make life easier. Everything it's not done off of Excel spreadsheets and stuff. So find out what they're using, and that's what you want to study while you're taking your classes. And business analytics is information technology, is also computer science. All these business analytics, computer science, and computer engineering can fall all in one, because that's what companies are asking from you right now. They want you to know a lot of stuff because they want like, oh, we paying you a lot of money. You should know business analytics. You should know programming. You should know this. So in business analytics, if you know a lot more stuff, if you know IT stuff, and you know how to be the SME, subject matter expert, then you're gonna get paid a lot. One important thing about going to college is that you have to learn how to study and know how to stay intact with your studying, your work that you're doing. So always go to the library. When you're doing your work, always head to the library. Do not work at home. Don't wait. Just always get that routine of going to the library every day. Get you a cup of coffee, sit there, watch YouTube videos on what you need help with. Go get ChatGPT. Don't listen to any of these haters. Just don't copy what ChatGPT is put in on there. All you do is go to ChatGPT, type in your answer, and just understand what they say in ChatGPT, and you put on your words and you understand it better. Because sometimes the teachers ain't gonna explain it right. So that's one thing about college. Now college life. College life is a whole different thing. You can get wrapped up in college life. You can drop out. So that's why I say you gotta stay focused. Make it a routine of going to the library and finishing up your work at the library. Make it the library as one of your jobs. Stay there, eat there, sleep there. You know what I'm saying? And the route that men are taking, a lot of men are not going to college anymore because they see it probably like, oh, y'all trying to hoodwink us. We see other people making money different ways. So as you see, the percent of women that are going to these colleges are greater. We got 39% and 36% is female, and 39% is female, 36 is male. And the numbers are getting fewer for the men that are going to college. What we have is a drop down. Approximately 1.2 million men are not going to college as they did back in 2011. You know what? Colleges made a heavy effort to get men going to college back in these days. I think it was due to finances and student loans saying, hey, we want to make more money. Let's get all these people to get into college and stuff. But college is a whole money making business. So if you can get the highest paying degree and get out of college, then that's good.